So initially, ensure that you've placed the physical body in such a way that you'll be able to rest absolutely still, absolutely comfortable for the next 20 minutes. You can either be lying on your left side or on your back, or you can be sitting. The main point of whichever posture you've chosen is that you make yourself comfortable enough to avoid the need for any physical movement. Evidently, if you feel awkward or uncomfortable, you may need to adjust your position, but if that is the case, then do so with awareness. So allowing the body now to settle into a comfortable state of stillness and quietness. Take the focus of your mental attention to the gentle rise and fall of an easeful, natural breath. Observe the breath as it enters the nostrils. Observe the breath as it leaves the nostrils. Let the breath settle to a gentle and easy rhythm. And as the breath and the body settle into a resting state, allow also for the mind to come to follow the example of the breath and the body, so that the mental attention can now be easily and effectively directed to follow the instructions for this simple relaxation and visualization practice. So to begin with, allow the quiet mind to pass a little resolve that allows for all of the visualizations and practices which follow to be planted deep within the fertile soil of the relaxed mind. So just resolve to allow the relaxed mind now to become receptive and attentive. And with that resolve in place, now allow for the physical body to be absolutely still whilst the mind travels around the physical body. There is no physical movement, but it is as if the light of the mind's attention comes to shine briefly on each part of the body in turn, as it is mentioned. Begin by drawing the mental attention now over to the right-hand side. Become aware in turn of the right-hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, buttock, top of the right thigh, back of the right thigh, top of the right knee, back of the right knee, right shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Be aware of the whole of the right foot. And now draw the attention up and over to the left-hand side of the body. Become aware in turn now of the left-hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, buttock, top of the left thigh, back of the left thigh, top of the left knee, back of the left knee, left shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, whole of the left foot. And now draw the attention all the way up the body to become aware of the whole of the head, of the right arm, the right leg, left leg. Take the attention down to the right heel, right buttock, left buttock. Become aware of the very base of the spine, the small of the back, the middle part of the back, the upper part of the back, the right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the point between the two shoulder blades. Be aware of the back of the neck, back of the head, back of the top of the head, the very top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek. And the nose, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, jaw, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, central portion of the chest, the upper part of the belly, the navel, the lower part of the belly, the whole of the curve of the belly, the right groin, the left groin, and the pubic bone. So be aware now of the whole body. Be attentive and alert and aware of the whole of the physical body. Be aware of the whole of the physical body and feel it resting on the floor. Let the body rest while the mind remains alert. Feel the whole of the physical body resting on the floor. And now awaken in the physical body a sensation of great heaviness. Feel that the body has become extremely heavy. Feel that each limb is immensely weighty, that the whole body now has become so heavy that it might even make an indentation in the floor beneath. Actually feel this sensation of extreme heaviness throughout the whole of the physical body now. And now awaken in the body a sensation of lightness. Experience the sensation that the body has become very, very light indeed, almost weightless. Feel that the whole of the physical body is so light that it might even simply float away up from the floor beneath, as if it could be wafted on the breeze like a leaf. Actually experience this sensation of lightness throughout the whole of the physical body now. And then leave off this sensation and, remaining alert and attentive, direct the whole of the mental focus to the mind's eye. See in the mind's eye the image of your baby, the unborn child within the womb. Be precise and attentive to the shape and form of the unborn baby's body. See the posture in which they are lying, perfectly positioned for ease of delivery, with their head down, their spine curved gently out towards the belly, curled round with their arms and legs tucked in, their chin firmly tucked right against the chest, and the top of their head fitted neatly, closely into the neck of the womb, as if the cervix just fitted around the crown of the baby's head like a little hat, closely fitted around their skull. And on this perfectly positioned little baby, on the face of the little baby, is a contented smile. See the smile on the face of the baby, and then direct the mental attention now around the whole of the baby's body as they are positioned perfectly within the womb. Take the attention first of all to the baby's head, and see the baby's head tucked in, firmly seated at the neck of the womb, ready to exit. And now take the attention down to the baby's right shoulder, right arm, right hand. See the baby's right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Take the attention over to the baby's left shoulder, left arm, left hand. See the baby's left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Trace the attention along the baby's spine as it curves out towards the belly, down to the tailbone and the two little buttocks, into the right leg, right knee, right calf, shin, ankle, right foot, the baby's right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Take the attention over to the left leg, left knee, calf, shin, ankle, the baby's left foot with the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Sweep the attention back up along the curve of that beautiful little spine as it lays outwards towards the belly, and come to the back of the baby's neck, back of their head, top of the head, forehead, right eye, left eye, nose, cheeks, chin. See the chin tucked right in against their chest, and carry the attention down the baby's chest to come to the belly, where you see the umbilical cord connecting the baby up to the placenta connecting to you. And see this perfectly contented little being, optimally positioned, ready for an easy entry into the world at the appropriate time. And with the mental image of your baby perfectly positioned within the womb, agree between you for the easiest way for them to arrive at the appropriate time when you're both ready and will be delighted to meet each other. So let this image of the baby remain clear, and use the next few moments to allow any communication that needs to occur between you and your unborn baby simply to happen quite naturally, either in the form of words or feelings, or just remaining conscious of each other's presence, remaining conscious now of the presence of the unborn baby. Let whatever communication needs to happen occur between the two of you. And then allow for this communication to come to a natural closure. Let the image of the baby fade. And give your full attention now to the rise and fall of the natural breath. Feel that each breath in now nourishes you and the baby within the womb. And that each breath out allows you to come into a state of rested repose. Allow the breaths to become a little louder so that you can hear your breath in and hear your breath out. And let the sound of that breath be your link back to a more everyday state of awareness. Revisit the resolve which you made at the beginning of this practice to allow this visualization to be planted deep within the fertile soil of the quiet mind. Let your attentive and receptive mind keep that image of the baby firmly planted so that it may come to fruition. And now allow for the breath to become a little louder. Let that bridge back to a more everyday sense of awareness be formed by the sound of your breath. Breath in, breath out. Link the awareness back now to a sense of the physical body as you rest on the floor. Feel yourself in the position in which you've chosen, and gently, with your awareness, feel yourself beginning to move, wriggling the toes, wriggling your fingers. Wriggling your fingers and your toes, feet, hands, arms and legs. Move gently with yourself, and when you are ready, take a nice long stretch out through the physical body in whichever way seems appropriate. As you stretch out, ease yourself very gently up to a sitting position, and then gently open your eyes. This practice is now complete.